dear viewers, welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and in today's video I am going to show you a collection of ready-made blouses which is nowadays very trending. Most of the customers loves to wear these ready-made blouses because that is very easy to use and you don't have to purchase fabric, cut off the 1 meter and then go to the tailor, and then after stitching and then you can wear that, and there is not confirmation that that tailor will stitch that properly on your shape. So that's why I'm going to show you this collection, because customers demand is actually going up in this particular variety. So first thing, I'm going to show you this very simple decent ready-made blouse. This is a daily wear blouse. All age group ladies can wear this, but as a retailer you should maintain all the varieties in the sense your customer might be from any age group. That might be a teenager, mid-20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, anything. So you have to maintain every single variety whatever your customer need. So for next sample, this is on a rayon base and it has a foil printing on it. That you can see this is a foil printing, and this foil is actually washable foil, not a table foil we are providing. That is 100% washable. After washing, this foil will not fade away. So again, move further, and some fancy thing I want to show you. First, see the front side, there is a tug inside it. I want to show you this cup. I hope you can see it properly. So comfort is also getting we are giving in this particular variety. And I want to show you backside, so you can see a very pretty heavy backside where the flower concept we are giving, and same way in the bottom. Here you can see it has a flower concept, black and pink flower concept we are giving it. So again, another piece, look at this. So next piece we are showing you, it has a combination of red and golden color, and it is coming with a sequence work. Yes, you can see behind that. Let me keep this back. So here you can see it has a sequence work on it, and coming with the accessory of this thread. So that is also very pretty, and outer finishing of this bag, that is finished with the pearls we are giving it. Next we are going to see digital printed blouse. So it is not properly looking good in hanger, and I want to show you this. So you can see this one is very pretty, sober, stretchable. Yeah, so that means all size of the lady can wear this, and I want to show you backside too. So full back and length of the piece, you can see from my shoulder to end, this much length you are getting in this particular piece. If you want short length, if you want full length, you will get all the lengths. And same way, this is the sleeve we are giving. Again, we have seen a full size, full sleeve ready-made blouse. Here you are getting 3/4 sleeve, and here you can see this round neck. Yes, this round neck we are giving you, and the front side is coming with this neck area, collar neck, and here is the round we are providing. So we have wide range of collection, just like this golden, which customer can pair with the any color that will go. So we have all the colors like simple, heavy, dusty color, dark colors, rainbow colors, simple patterns, heavy patterns, daily wear patterns, all the varieties. Just an example, you can see behind there are the samples from this whole wall. You can see this whole wall over here. So this wall has, there is different, this is a unstitched. If you want unstitched variety, we have that too. If you want stitch variety, just like this ready-made blouses, we have that too. Next we are going more further to watch this next piece. So look at here. So it is also very pretty and attractive, coming with a light color, and there is a dark color with the long sleeves and round neck. This is a second round neck. Now next one is going to be a velvet one. Look, this is the velvet blouse I am going to show you, and front and back both sides, which had a embroidery work. So as I told you, you will get this everything in a wholesale, so keep this important thing in your mind. So if you want to start your business of clothes and want to maintain this variety, so it's my humble request. Numbers are on screen, just go there, call there or message there. Further information, our online sales executive will provide you, and from there you can purchase. And if you want to come to Ajmera Fashion, it's my humble request, you can go to the description box and from there you can collect the address. So friends, this was our video about ready-made blouses. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan. That's it for today. Signing off.